We are excited to announce a major update to MangiSoz, ISSAI speech and translation service. With the newly introduced Optical Character Recognition feature, MangiSoz goes beyond speech and text. This new functionality allows users to effortlessly upload images and PDF documents, automatically extract the text, and translate it with the same accuracy and fluency that distinguishes MangiSoz. Whether it's a scanned report, a photographed page, or a presentation handout, MangiSoz can now recognize and process and deliver translations across Kazakh, Russian, English, Turkish, and Chinese, making knowledge more accessible than ever. Building on its robust core of speech recognition, voice synthesis, OCR, and real-time translation, MangiSoz empowers individuals, businesses, and institutions to overcome language barriers in both spoken and written communication. From international collaboration to everyday tasks, MangiSoz continues to evolve as an essential tool for bridging languages.